Filled with ingenious features, the stylish Electrolux French Door Refrigerator is ready for any occasion, from birthday parties to wine tastings. Inside, the bright ramp-up style luxury design lighting provides interior illumination that's both beautiful and functional. This refrigerator also has the most usable capacity, offering the same space outside but more usable space inside, so you have room for everything. And the perfect temp drawer lets you store or serve virtually anything at the ideal temperature, making this the perfect refrigerator for entertaining. It has 9 preset selections, including white and sparkling wine, cheese, snacks, and chilled beer. Plus 3 My Favorite settings that can be customized to store an ice cream cake or other party foods at the perfect serving temperature. The tri-level freezer organization system features 3 luxury glide baskets with removable adjustable dividers and 2 removable baskets, so you can keep food organized and easily at hand. This refrigerator also delivers perfect ice, filtered restaurant-quality ice in a new drink-friendly shape, and it makes twice the ice as any refrigerator ice maker for all your entertaining needs. The Electrolux French Door Refrigerator. Be even more amazing.